want to say tonight that I too am happy that I didn't sneeze. Because if I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around in 1960. And students all across the South decided to sit in at lunch counters. And I knew as they were sitting in that they were really standing up for the greatest in the American dream and taking the whole nation back to the great wells of democracy, which were dug deep by the founding fathers in the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around in 1961. We decided to take a ride for freedom and ended segregation and interstate travel. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around in 1962, when Negroes of Albany, Georgia decided to straighten their backs up. And whenever men and women straighten their backs up, they're going somewhere, because a man cannot ride your back unless it is bent. If I had sneezed, when I've been around in 1963, and black people of Birmingham, Alabama, aroused the conscience of the nation and brought into being the civil rights bill. If I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around later that year in August to try to tell America about a dream that I had had. If I had sneezed,